Where'd it go?
That's a good question.
Is there two? Two different birds.
Oh, it's a bat. It's a bird. It's a bird. It's freaking out. He just wants to go out the window. That's all. He's sitting at the window.
What kind of bird?
It's just a black bird.
Open the front. Well, we can't with all the dogs in here. Come on, pups.
Here's a towel. Where'd it go?
Yeah, I might have to cover it with a towel. You got to cover it with a blanket and carry it out. At least it's not a bat.
Look out, you're gonna freak if it comes through
Mom,
your nose.
get away from the door, because if it comes bashing through the door.
No, just open up the window, maybe it'll go out. Just go in there
No,
fast.
because there's
Shush.
screens in here.
Just go fast out there. I don't want to come in the rest of the fucking house. Go and close the door.
I see it
It's
right
not
now.
gonna
Just
fly
relax.
out.
You fucking relax.
I want to see! I'm videoing!
If you need help, yell.
It's a fucking bird.
I about killed myself going in your room. I don't know what I fell over. Did you get it yet?
I don't know. Can you open the door so I can see?
You going in with them?
Yeah.
You are?
I'm gonna video
You're too
it.
fat to get in there fast.
No, I'm not.
Wait a minute. Oh, he's got it. Open up the front door, Heather. Okay, I'm hiding in here.
Move it, doggies.
Yeah,
Oh, where's the birdie? There's the birdie. Fly free. There it goes.
Let me the fuck out of this place.
Sketchy.
Story. Come on.
Come here, Story. Get in the house.
Come on.
Get in the Story.
Story.
Story. Come here, Story. Where'd she go?
She's right underneath these cars. There she is.
Come here, Story. Get. She's peeing. What were you doing?
How the fuck that thing get in there?
Because there's no screen around the opening of it.
Look at that stupid fucking bird. Should have shot it.
Yeah, right. With what?
Dirty.
Fucking